Mike coming to you from Trail Harley-Davidson, Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue headquarters, and your gateway to the Ozarks. Today we're going to go in and meet Scott, one of our techs. He just picked up a 94 FXRP, and he's going to restore this to riding condition. We're going to follow along on the journey. Hey Scott, why don't you tell us what you got going on here, man?
So this is a 1994 FXRP. It is the windshield version. Bought it off of a guy down in Hot Springs. And I'm going to dismantle it and basically try to put it back to its original configuration.
There's some things on here I noticed that aren't quite original. Point out some stuff on here that...
Well, the front end, that's not...
Is this a Fat Boy?
It's a Fat Boy wheel with a wide glide triple tree.
All right.
But I have the stock front end sitting right there behind you. So I'm calling her Juice because she is a 1994 FXRP police model. And O.J. Simpson's infamous Bronco chase happened in 1994. And there are still photos out there of FXRPs in the chase.
It's a good name. I did a good job with it.
Yeah.
So where are you going to start with this thing, man? What's your first steps on it? Because we're going to watch you restore this week by week. We're just going to follow you through to the end on it. So how long is this going to take you think?
Well, to be completely done with it, I probably won't have it completely done until sometime next spring.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, at this point, all I want to do is I want to get this front end off of it, put the stock front end on, new neck bearings and races, new wheel bearings. I'll rebuild the forks, whether they need it or not. At least I'll know what it is. I'm going to take all the tins off of it. I have a stock fender for this, not this other thing. Take the tins off, sand them, repaint them. I doubt if I'll do what I did with the Liberty Edition, and I'm not going to take it down to bare frame, but I probably will at some point pull the jugs off, repaint those. Of course, I'll check the cylinders, see if they're good enough just to be honed or if they need to be bored. The claim is it does have an EV27 Andrews cam in it, which is what I would have put on it. And
that's good.
I am going to put a FXRP fairing. For the most part, a traditionalist, but there are certain things. Like I said, this was originally a windshield bike, not a fairing bike. But I really like that fairing.
It's your bike. You do what you want.
Right.
That's right.
But it's factory floorboards, factory wire harness. This is all for the pursuit light stuff, for the cop stuff. That'll all come off because I can't do pursuit stuff, and I don't even have the switches anymore.
That's too bad. That probably would be a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cops don't like it though.
Well, I asked one of Benton County's captains if I did this up in Benton County colors and stuff, if they'd let me volunteer for escorts and things like that.
What'd they say?
Probably not.
Probably. Well, that's cool, man. So you're going to be starting, are you starting today or?
I've been slowly just kind of taking things apart. I've had the bike for close to a month. The big thing is I'm waiting on the neck bearings to show up so that I can redo the front end.
Gotcha. Makes sense. And how far did you have to go to get this one?
The guy actually delivered it to me from Hot Springs.
Wow, that was nice of him.
That was nice of him.
You had to pay extra for that? Oh, man. There's always a price.
He had this thing for sale for like 4 years.
Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, man, we're excited to watch this thing come back to life. Your Liberty Edition is absolutely beautiful, and that's a heck of a rare bike. We just say there's about 900 of those
No,
made?
702 made.
702.
Yeah,
Holy cow.
There's conflicting numbers out there. Some say 744, some say 799. There is a fellow that wrote a book called The Bizarre Book of FXRs. and his name is Nick Enzo or something like that. But he spoke with guys like Willie G, Eric Buell, and several of the other managers or different managers of different departments that actually were involved in the FXRs. And he got the number of 702 from those guys. I'm going to believe what he says. So yeah, there were 702 made.
Excellent. Scott, thank you for showing us what's going on here and let us be a part of your restoration. We can't wait to see the final product. We're going to be watching you step by step, man. We're going to let everybody else here follow along, so we appreciate it.